everyone, this is Somya and welcome back to the new session of GET Fit. Today what we are going to do is some breathing exercises. Now breathing exercises play a very important role, as I told you in my previous session as well, to boost the lung capacity. So even if you're going through asthma or you have gone through hard times with COVID, your lungs need that importance and your lungs that needs that exercise. So you need to do some breathing exercise, and breathing always helps because it helps to boost oxygen in your body. So yes, let's quickly do some good breathing exercises and get some great results. So firstly, we'll go with 10 deep breaths. Let loosen up your body and breathe in. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Breathe. Breathe out. 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 Relax. Anulom Vilom. Exhale. Inhale. 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 Exhale. Relax. Close. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Relax. Let's go with good Kapalbhati. Relax. Close your earlobes. Ease. Out. Out. out, 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 out. Relax. Relax. So yes, that's it about today's breathing exercise. I hope you enjoyed it. It gives you a relaxation and a very peaceful results as when it comes to boosting the metabolism and the blood flow throughout your body. So I hope you will get it, the amazing results that you want. And yes, I hope you will get some great results with this. So yes, I'll see you in my next session. Till then, stay fit, stay happy. Bye-bye.